Hello, good everyone. Welcome to Harmless TV. Please don't fail to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you. If you are subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Please, my people, this one I have to talk about it because the bullshit is too much. Look at what China people is doing to the world. It's too much, my dear. How can we bear this? People are dying because of China. Many people are dying in the hospitals in Europe, in America, in Africa, in everywhere, the whole continent, in the whole world. What is going on? And still, we don't want to learn. We don't want to learn from our mistake, that to know that those people from China, they are not in any way helping us out. They are just there to kill us. Look at what is going on about the face masks. This is the fake masks that have to protect people from the coronavirus. This is the same coronavirus that originated from China, Wuhan city. You can imagine what China people are doing, the face masks that they have used before. Look at how they are cleaning it, ironing it, washing it, and sending it down to Europe, Africa, and American country just to kill them, even Arab country also. Please, I beg you, my people, don't accept anything that comes from China anymore. For now, let's be cautious for now. Face the reality, please. This is not about friendship or about poverty. Because if you think of your poverty, that you need help from the people killing you, to God who made me, they will kill you. They will finish your life without any mistake. Look at what they are doing. These masks that they are making, they are the ones that they have used to treat people. People that have been infected with coronavirus have used all these masks. What they are doing is to iron it, wash it, and then send it back to you. The same masks that they sent to even Europe, some of them are positive of coronavirus. They can't even protect the disease. Even Europe and American countries are sending it back. You will see it and you watch it. You will see the reality, what is going on. Please, I beg you, my African people, is this what you need? This is not what we need in Africa. Even if we are poor, we rather die with our poverty than to allow somebody to kill us. It's too bad for us to bear. At least, African country, at least we can produce some things now. This time now that many of you are even rich, why can't you even bring out your money at least to even construct some companies to produce all these face masks so that we cannot be requesting it from China? Look at where they are picking it from you, from the dustbin. From the dustbin, all these have been infected. Look at disease that they are infecting to your people. That cannot protect you from this disease. Please, reject it from them. I beg you, reject it from them. African people that can make the masks, it's not hard. Now in Africa, they have millions of people, if not even billions, millions of people staying at home because of this coronavirus. You can see American FBI, they are returning the masks that China people have sent to them. They are returning it back to China people because all cannot even protect coronavirus and they are even infected with the disease. So why can we Africans accept this? Why can't we organize our children? We have many tailors there. We have many fashion and designers there. To make masks is not even hard. I will even post it later how to even make it. If you can do homemade of it, it's not hard. Why can't we even organize companies for now to make our own masks? Not to accept all these devilish gifts from all these witches and wizard people from China. I hear that even some African countries have sent their boats or their ship or whatsoever to China to go and bring billions or millions of masks for them and some equipment. Did they have hands or didn't they have money? They have millions of money in back of our other countries. In European and American countries, they cannot use it to construct their own, to build their hospital, to even build companies for their citizens to work so that they will not be traveling. But many citizens are traveling all around. Some might even die because there is no work in the country. But look at what you are doing. Even this time of need, You people are sitting, asking your citizens to go inside. They should go and lock themselves without food, without light, without water. Nobody to care for them, no house strength, no nothing. Some are even sleeping under the bridge without house. What is wrong with you Africans? Why can't you have the sense? Why can't you have brain now to know what is going on? Since China, people have been killing you people. Many have been dying without, no one can detect even the disease. If they even die, they will go and throw their body. They'll say it's witches and wizards. Every day it's witches and wizards. Some will die for some disease that they didn't know. Even for eating only geisha, you will die. Eating only spaghetti, you will die because they have poison up. China is poisoning some food. Fulani people is poisoning. Boko Haram is poisoning. Muslim people are poisoning. They are even killing. For war everywhere. Nowhere to save. Now you have the time to save yourself. You are still asking, requesting gifts from China people. Look at their gift, how they are refusing it. And you want all these ones that they are sending back to China to come to you. Holland people refuse it. Watch and listen to this, our brother. I'm coming back. Watch out.
My people, don't go about JD here again. No, this one is painful. This one is so bad. And then most of us, say for Nigeria, we always think say we too get sense. And we will know pass. And we're not going to know what things on the bad they happen. This morning, my sister called me all the way from Amsterdam, that's in Holland, to tell me that the mask that was supplied to them for usage was tested, and guess what? That mask tested positive. Why now? Why? Some of the kids tested positive and now they are returning it. The same thing that happened to Italians. The same thing that happened to Italians. Now they want to do the same thing. They prophesied and said that about 39,000 of us here in Nigeria will be infected. And I begin to wonder, I mean, they discuss with Corona. Because they ought to be discussing with Corona before they come know how many people will die. How do they just sit down, they talk so many people will die. This is a number of people will die. No, it's unfair. This warning is to those of you who are buying masks every day where they take and do shakara, because I just say the mask when Nigerians they buy, they use, now shakara when they take and do. You can see somebody with the worker for street, he wear mask. They wear them because he won't wear them. He just won't wear them, say make it be say, he wear in this mask where they wear cover nose, where we say it's for prevention. It is see I'm like say na play na guy. You see some people just wear them, inside their AC, inside their car, they will still wear them. Oh God, madam, the mask that has been imported into Nigeria right now is coronavirus positive. Stop buying masks. If you never buy masks since, stop to buy. The ones where they sent to us from Nigeria now, brothers and sisters, it is coronavirus positive. People they wear mask. Sick of saying they see others wear. Nobody say it's no good to wear mask. It's good to wear mask. But how? You can't be say these people they're so wicked to supply the world. This war, this trade war between America and Chinese. You don't
you see what is going on. Why can't we organize our youth now that they are not working? Make them to work and produce what we need the most now. You are closing that market. Where are they going to buy food? There is no organized supermarket, no big supermarket for them to go. They didn't know anything, no even phone, no light, nothing for them to even call their customers that they need food. What are you people doing? Even soldiers everywhere, they are killing people just for you to tell them to go home. Explain to them, use diplomatic, but no, you will be using force. But Boko Haram you can't fight. Muslim terrorists you can't fight. But to kill your people, to promise them that you will rape them and give them HIV/AIDS, you can do that. But to go and fight in Sambisa forest, they will be killing you like goats. It is we that is out here that will be praying for you people, that will be praying for the safety of you people. Look, my daddy is a ministry, but my daddy didn't kill any nonsense animal. You understand me? Because the things that you are doing, you are killing nonsense animal, people that didn't did anything to you. You are calling them animal. That is why you are killing them. You are calling them nonsense animal. That is why you are killing them. And it doesn't worth it. They are not nonsense animals. They are humans like you. You are calling them bloody bastard. You are the bastard that can't even kill the terrorists that are fighting you. Just to go and kill innocent human being out there. To go and kill your citizens for nothing. Those that are not trained to even be the military or whatsoever. But you are trained to fight terrorists, to fight war, but you cannot do it. It's just to kill your mother, your father, and give the fuck and give the HIV. What a bastard are you? Damn bro back a shaggy. Shay, you said you spoke outside there. You are bastard. I tell you the truth. Damn Banza Motani. What do you call yourself? Saying that you go and infect them with HIV/AIDS. China people is infecting with coronavirus. What are you doing? You can't even fight. You are still requesting help from the people that are killing you, nonsense animals. And you call yourself a military. If they didn't find you and then jail you for what? For that verbal insult and that verbal threat that you sent to our people, you will be a bastard in your whole life. Damn Burubaka Shege. It's not fair. You have to stop this. Instead of you to fight the people that you have to fight, no, you'll be fighting yourself. All in the name of Africa. Because you don't know where you belong. Look at the time now that you have to stand for your communities. You have to stand for your citizens. You are beating your citizens. You are killing them. Because you want them to stay at home without food, without water, without light, without hope, without nothing. We are here in Europe. Even now we are not working, but the government are even taking care of us. We are not even their citizens. But your citizens, you can't even take care of them. Don't let me talk to you, okay? Don't let me talk to you people. Just go and organize our youth. Ask them to work for their own face masks. Let them work for their own face masks. Let them produce their own face masks and stop requesting help from people that are killing you. Because it's long time that these people are poisoning the world. But this is the time now that God have to expose them. You can imagine. So it's okay. Learn from your mistakes. Please, my people, if you need face mask, it's not even hard. You can even go to YouTube and ask how to make face masks. Even you can even watch Facebook. You will see many people making it. They will show you the homemade of face masks. It's not even hard. You can use rubber band. You can use even needle and thread. You can still subscribe to my channel. Later, I'm coming back to show you how to make face mask. So fuck those China people. They are also even requesting for some doctors from China. What the fuck? African people, what is going on with you people? You can't even pay your doctors their salary. You are holding them for even 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. You can't pay them their salary. You can't even produce equipment for them to protect themselves. And you want other countries that are killing you to come and save you. Let's watch and see what will happen. If China people step their foot in Africa, you have seen what have happened to Italians and even China and even Spain. So let's watch out and see. If you allow China people to bring that devilish and witchcraft characters and their devilish mind to our country to kill our mothers, you will bear it and you will pay it very, very bad. You can train our doctors and you can pay them their salaries to work. Thanks.
Video. If you like this, please show your support by subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification.